live.
Hold on, I gotta start streaming. Start streaming.
Okay, we live on the Shill stream. It's your boy Low Key with the boy Crypto Culture, Kenzie himself. You see
Hold
what's
on, no,
going
I
on,
wanna see
peoples.
it.
Now
He
you
live
see.
before me. He trying to come
Oh,
live.
all right. Yo,
Hey,
y'all
what's
see
going
what's
on,
going on?
cousin? Hey, hold on. Look, you got your intro in.
I'm
What's going
hyped.
on, crypto cousins? It's your Bitcoin baby daddy here because the Bucks won tonight. Because the Bucks going to the Super Bowl.
Yo, hey, my man, we got a couple people in the chat. Shout out to. Oh, come on, he's doing too much. He's doing too much. You see what happens, guys, when you get money in crypto? When you get money in crypto, things going good in football.
Let's go.
Oh man, yeah. So we got Iskander in here. We got Unasian said pump it. We got RJ all day. Shout out to y'all for jumping in the chat. Yo, hit that like button, man. Y'all see what's
Hey.
going on. ETH is at all-time highs, bro.
He's at all-time highs, dog. I'm here on the live stream with Low Key Money himself. What's good, dog?
Yo,
Ooh, my fat ass had to stop. I get back.
yeah, you need to calm down, bro. you need to relax, bro.
Oh, jeez.
Yo, so so I got the Ethereum daily chart pulled up right now. I got the fib extension pulled up, which is basically going to show us our price targets for breaking all-time highs. Now, one thing I want to definitely mention to people is obviously Bitcoin is gonna, it's gonna give us which trajectory we're going in the market regardless. It don't matter if ETH breaks all-time highs. If Bitcoin's gonna have a big dip, we'll still end up pulling back. But right now, as long as we could hold and go sideways with Bitcoin, or if we can get a nice little Bitcoin pump, this thing is going to go flying. If Bitcoin can hold
Bro,
up,
it's already gonna go flying. It's already gonna go flying.
it's already gonna go flying. But
there's no chance. We have to be going higher, dog.
the only thing is Bitcoin, man. The only thing is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the catalyst, bro. Right now, Bitcoin been steadily pulling back. Although today, I see another little triangle pennant that just formed up under the one that just happened, and it looks like it's actually gonna break out of this pennant to the upside. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's possible. Oh, he's getting crazy, bro. He's getting crazy, man. Yo, what is going on with your mans, bro? I might have to just stop showing him on my stream, bro. This guy, y'all gonna just hear his voice. Hey, your mic off, bro.
My fault, dog. I had to
There you
mute
go.
it for a second. But nah, bro. Let me stop being. Bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm about to drop a shit coin right now and put it in ETH. Real talk.
Oh, I feel you. I just caught some gains on some alts right now too today that I just kind of just pulled out of. I didn't get to capture all of it, but I just flipped. I basically went from around like 1100 to like 19 now, so on some alts. So I want to put it in ETH, but it's whatever. I'm trying to use that as like a side flipping account to just try to keep doubling. So I think I'm only trade between like whatever alt and DAI, or if ETH is going up, even do ETH.
Bro, ETH is carrying everything right now.
Yeah, let's go ahead and go on.
Like stupid.
Here I am. Let's go ahead and check out. Ooh, 18%. Yo, ETH is at 16.5% dominance right now, guys.
Where you pulling that from?
Bro, CoinGecko, man. CoinGecko, guys. ETH dominance is currently at 16.5%. When you go on the top of CoinGecko, under all the different options on the menu, you can see the dominance. Gas is ridiculous, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Gas is ridiculous.
Hold up, let me see if I try to do a trade. Hold on.
Yeah, gas is crazy, guys. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Gas is like, it's at 205 gwei right now at an all-time high ETH price. So any little trade you're trying to do, even approving joints on the Uniswap is stupid right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. ETH transactions are crazy, but it hasn't stopped us from mooning. You know, everybody keeps on saying that people are going to go somewhere else because of transactions. I do see activity growing on other chains, but it's not taken away from the value of ETH, bro.
It really ain't. Like, bro, I'm looking at this thing right now. I'm like, wow, it really ain't.
So next levels
Uh,
that I'm looking at, he said I effed up 027 ETH. Just
it costs, bro,
I don't know
for
what he's
fast
trying to
trans,
say.
bro. You can hear? Can you hear me, dog?
Yeah, I hear you.
It costs $20 for fast to approve a coin on Uniswap right now.
Yo,
Approve, approve, my nigga.
yo, oh, yo. Okay, the ETH
Approve.
transactions, guys, are
Each transaction
crazy.
stupid right now.
Yeah, I paid like 40 getting in and out of trades, but I'm like, I gotta get out of it because anybody else start getting out of it, you know, I'm not even taking that risk. I can't even take that risk. I just rather pay the money, keep my gains. But yeah, transactions are stupid right now, man. They are stupid.
Wow. Yeah,
So
bro.
if
That's
you
what.
guys want to do any trading, for like Ethereum to die and things of that nature, I would suggest going through a centralized exchange. Straight up, go to
Yeah, yeah.
Coinbase, go to
You might as well
Binance,
stay on. Yeah,
go
stay
to
on centralized
Uphold,
exchanges.
go
Can't.
to a centralized
No.
exchange, pay the ridiculously high fee just to even send it, which is probably going to be around $4 just to send it, which is crazy. But just send it over to Binance, send it over wherever, and just go ahead and do your trades over there. It's going to save you a lot of money. We got 30 plus people on a live right now, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button when coming in. I got the boy Crypto Culture, aka Kenzie. He got his own channel. If y'all don't already know that, which y'all should, it's Crypto Culture. You know, he's doing big things over there. We both got our channels grown. We being consistent. We're probably gonna do this every single week. This collaboration live stream. Right now, ETH just broke its all-time highs, and looking at the fib extension, our next targets, our next target for ETH, as long as everything goes well with Bitcoin, because that is going to be the catalyst, in my opinion. We're looking at a $2,300 Ethereum. So in the short term, obviously, you know, it's there's other numbers between there, so we might have a little, you know, tension getting up there. But as far as I'm concerned, ETH is going. ETH is going. And on top of that, ETH just actually broke out of resistance with Bitcoin as well. So as you guys can see, let's maybe we could take it maybe out of the daily and go to like the monthly chart.
Yo, it costs $76 to get a fast transaction right now.
Sheesh. Goodness
But it's
gracious.
the
You guys hear
worst time
that?
to trade. This is
That
the
is
worst
terrible.
time to trade.
That is terrible.
Bro.
So as you guys can see over here, we faked out here and there, but we've been just getting slaughtered by Bitcoin on Ethereum, and finally it just broke out of this resistance over here, and that's it, bro. That's why we're mooning right now, because we're decoupling from Bitcoin more and more and more. But if Bitcoin, wherever it goes, hey, H Boogie in the building, what it do, bro? When if Bitcoin goes, guys, if it goes back up to 36,000, do you understand what's gonna happen to ETH? If Bitcoin really goes up to 40 again, goes to 80, which is where the stock to flow model shows us going, guys, it's a wrap. It is a wrap.
Yeah, what's good? What's good? What's good with you guys? But shout out to Ideal Milk. Where's ETH going to in the next couple of hours? Nobody knows. Shout out to Thomas. What will ETH consolidate at? Nobody knows. That's the thing. I'm expecting, like, if you guys haven't known, on my channel, I've been saying this for the longest, guys. And this is why I've been trying to make sure I've been put in like positions. I think we're passing all-time highs because on February 8th, 2021, everybody's getting ready for these CME futures. And I don't care what anybody says. They are going to pump the price of ETH, whoever it is. That may it be the crypto gods. I don't know, but ETH's price is going up. This is not financial advice, and that's not a guarantee, but gods, We've been in this space so long. I understand it's a buy the hype, sell the news event. Take advantage of it. I'm telling you guys, take advantage of the buy the hype, sell the news. It's not a guarantee, but God, I'm going like ETH is telling you right now, it's ready for the hype. It's ready for this institutional. But shout out to Dorian for getting in the chat. What's Gucci? Crypto Mokel, what's good, fam? Thank you for always coming back. Brandon P, Slow B, but we still good. Just hope no sharp corrections. Man, you know them sharp corrections coming soon. You already know history,
That's
history
fine.
being
Like,
made, baby. Free in Canada. Let's go.
like how many times do y'all have to like? Well, I don't know. It depends on what you do. If you're a trader, you're day trading, and you're going long and short. Like, okay, corrections coming. All right, you got to make a decision on what you're gonna do. But if you're just accumulating, like, how many times do you have to see a correction, rebound, and go back to the upside before you just continue to accumulate and stick to the plan? You know what I mean? Like, that's the plan, is just accumulate. We're going to the upside. We're constantly growing. And right now we're on a bull run. So accumulate. Stock to flow model. This is something I've been constantly showing on my videos recently. It's showing that Bitcoin should be headed up towards 80,000 in the next few months. So by the summertime, before the summertime actually, like around the springtime, we should be up around 80,000. That will be with no variance, of course. And if that happens, guys, you know that Ethereum will definitely be hitting its targets that we've been showing on the fib extension over here. People keep, you know, I know I'm not really the best technical analysis person, but all these little targets for these little patterns that are obvious, yo, your mic is off, bro. He's getting crazy. His mic is off. All these little targets we've been putting on here, man, they've been happening, man. They've been happening. Right now for Bitcoin on a daily.
Even to 15K this year, boy, people bullish like stupid. People stupid bullish. We can't be doing that, bro.
Like my man Unagent said, keep accumulating stack coins. With ETH going up, Aave should go up. Yeah, Aave went crazy today, guys. Aave is one of the top gainers from what I remember. Up 18%, 263.
$1 million by the end of the year.
SNX is almost $18, $17.97, guys. Uniswap. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. We over here just talking to each other. We talking over each other.
Nah, but you just came back, bro. You was going. I was hosting your stream, bro. What are you talking about, bro?
You were hosting my stream.
You had your mic off, man. How you gonna do your peoples like that?
I was talking to my people. I muted myself on you, and then I muted you on my people, so I could talk to my people and shout them out.
Wow. Y'all see, yo, Shill Squad, y'all see how he's doing it? He's dropping gems over there on his channel that he don't want to share on this channel while I'm sharing it for the whole world. That's how we moving. Okay. All right. Oh man, yo, ETH bull tokens must be going crazy, right? My man H Boogie, stay on the ETH bull tokens. I feel like I seen ETH bull tokens above this, but sheesh, 50%. That's nice.
What's the price? Kyber looking good. The only problem I have with Kyber, guys, y'all know the truth about Kyber right now. It's getting washed by Uniswap. It's getting washed by everything else. And the thing is, so I remember this is an old Chico video. This is about like earlier at the beginning of 2020. Nah, not even. This was back in 2019 when he first started reporting on Uniswap. He was like, I went to a conference and I was talking to the people at Kyber and I was talking to the people here, and they were talking about how Kyber is going to go more towards the institutional investor and they're going to go to them for liquidity and this and that. But then Uniswap came through and said, you know what, we're just going to give it to anybody can do it. And this was before Uniswap was hype. This was before all this was hype. And literally, and this is not saying that he got the prediction, but literally what happened, the person who catered to the little guy got all the attention. The person who said, you know what, we're gonna decentralize this. We're gonna make it open for everybody to use, not just the institutional investors. The regular people got money too. Like, we got money too. So what happened? People joined the Uniswap because anybody can be a liquidity provider there. So
Facts.
now what's happening is Kyber's like, oh dang, we messed up. We got to rebuild our protocol so that anybody can be a liquidity provider. But it's too late because you have to think about it. You got Uniswap, you've got Sushi Swap,
Sushi
you've
swap
got
killing it.
Balancer. Balancer's still around, and like people don't even use
Yeah.
that. But Balancer's been around doing the, you do this, you can do the same thing with Balancer. It's just not as pretty.
Honestly,
And they
with
got
with
the
ETH going to these all-time high prices and gas fees going outrageous, like, I would pay more attention to Honey Swap. Guys, like for real, I've been playing around on this L2, the layer 2 Ethereum protocols. Honey Swap, Loop Ring is another one to think about. Think about
bro,
Loop Ring, Honey
I had a
Swap.
loop ring bag. So like, bro, I had a loop ring was like one of my first alts that I bought in 2017, and I dropped
Wow.
that bag at the bottom, bro, because I'm like, man, this
Damn,
might be
that
a gem,
hurts.
bro. I was thinking, I didn't know what I was saying in 2017. Decentralized exchanges are the future. I'm gonna hold on to this loop ring thing. Next thing you know, bear
Damn,
market.
son. Yo, and honestly, like decentralized exchanges, that was like my first like bullish thing in crypto. That's why I got onto DeFi fairly early. Like I started talking about DeFi after very few other YouTubers that I seen talking about it. Like I won't say that I just discovered it on my own, going deep diving into Reddit and GitHub and stuff, but I did not see a lot of people talking about DeFi when I first started talking about it, but that was because I always liked decentralized exchanges, being able to trade peer to peer, and the lending protocols and stuff. So I was definitely on the DEX tokens. The difference was back then though, there was like Neo was like popping, so I was messing with Switch.io, which was like a DEX token and stuff. But so what I wanted to show you guys real quick, I feel like there's another pennant that was forming on the 4-hour chart over here for Bitcoin, as you can see right here. And it looks like it's currently trying to, it's currently testing out, breaking out to the upside. And that would be really nice if it did. I kept the other symmetrical triangle there. I kept that little pattern there because I feel like that might be, another area that we're going to have to basically pay attention to. But if we break out of here to the upside, then we're going to have to fight against this previous trend line with the symmetrical triangle. But Bitcoin could be on its way to 35,000, which would take us in ETH
If ETH
land.
hits 2K, it's time to sell and buy BTC. You damn right. Look, you damn right. I ain't even gonna play with you.
You know how
Shout
crazy
out
this
to
space is that you could probably just trade back and forth between ETH and Bitcoin and get you some racks just between those two.
someone asked me in the chat, do you still have all 400 of your free uni? I'm like, nah, dog. I don't even got all 400. I only got 262 left, and I'm putting it up on the screen right now. That's that. There you go. There you go. That's how much uni I got left.
Oh,
Sitting on it.
you got strong hands, bro. My uni flew day one, gone. It was gone, bro. It's worth a bag now. It's worth a bag now.
Duh, that free uni worth a bag, bro.
I
But it
probably
was
made
uni,
more
bro.
with that bread than
It was uni though. It was uni. Like nobody was finna. Now sushi going stupid.
now sushi going stupid. You right, bro. It wasn't the
Bro, now
smartest
sushi
move.
going stupid.
It wasn't the smartest move, but it was free money. I don't get greedy on free money, bro.
You
1 inch gone. 1 inch airdrop is gone, yo.
Bro, do you remember when people said sushi would never get back to $8 because of the inflation? Because
Yeah.
it was too highly inflated and it'll never get back there?
Somebody
Bruh.
said that I get the steak Dow airdrop. I don't even know what that is. Let's
How
look
do you
at.
even get the stake down airdrop?
I never used no steak Dow, so let's see if
Yeah, because I've never, unless it's like a free airdrop to everybody.
Googling it. Let me get my airdrop live. Let me get that airdrop, boy. Another day, another airdrop. Power DeFi users can now claim stake DAO tokens. Let's see. And this article was just posted. What's today's date? On Friday, I think that was, or Thursday.
Oh Lord, let me connect my wallet real quick. Let's see who can get this free airdrop.
Now if you got Badger, you would get that. Nah, I don't got no Badger, bro. Oh, so I don't
Oh,
think
so
I'm
if you
getting it.
had Badger, you'd be able to get it?
I think so.
Nah,
Somebody
I
said
ain't
I
get
got the uni airdrop only 2 days ago when it was $9.50.
Wow.
I think that was my man's from the chat too, yo. Was that you in the Shill Squad Telegram group? Somebody just told me like I heard the excitement in the message, bro. It was like you won't believe what just happened to me. I got 400 uni tokens in my wallet, bro.
Oh, government
I
manager, bro.
I'm
Okay.
like, oh man, I know the feeling right now must be crazy. Came up on like 4 racks or something like that.
Bruh, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's all you gotta start. You just gotta keep playing with DeFi stuff, bruh. You just gotta keep playing with it. Like, I remember I was on a live stream, and I just told people like straight up, like if you really trying to make like money in crypto, you just gotta play with DeFi apps, especially right now. Like, it's scary to allow like a DeFi protocol or a decentralized application on the internet to touch your wallet, you know what I'm saying? And to have access to your wallet and see what it is. But you start using these things, next thing you know, they're all competing with each other. They're all being like, yeah, man, look, dog, this, and that. And you have to just hop from one project to the next, and hopefully they'll make an airdrop. Hopefully they won't. Who knows? But you have to at least experiment with these things and try to learn what you're doing. Like, granted, we've been in the space for a minute now, so I understand. Like, anytime I plug my wallet into some DeFi stuff, I'm look, dog, praying that I don't wake up the next day wondering, dang, where'd all my coins go? You know what I'm saying? So definitely, if one thing that I've learned is use the use DeFi apps. But I know what y'all want to see. These coins popping off. Man, shout out the coins y'all got holding on right now. Make 10 wallets. Yes, make 10 wallets. Get like I've got at least 4 wallets, minimum 4 wallets. You
Yeah,
know
I
what
got
I'm
a few
saying?
wallets. My man's H Boogie asked me, why do I get rid of my airdrop so fast? Yo, bro, because I'm a DGen, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you,
Yeah, you know
man.
what I'm
I'm
saying? Like
I'm no longer a
you never
DGen though,
had.
guys. Like I repent from that whole thing. I'm not a DGen anymore. But like I'm so used to getting the gains and just getting out quick. Like, oh, whoop, got the gains, I'm gone. So
And then just dollar cost average back in.
yeah, so now I'm not gonna be dumping those airdrops the same way though. I'm gonna be just cooling
It
it
depends. It really depends though.
on
Like
what it is. Yeah.
it really because like what is it?
Somebody
One
said
inch
I
did
got
the
17
airdrop.
wallets.
I'm not gonna lie. 1 inch did their airdrop, and they're about to be right back to all time highs again.
Yeah, 1 inch is definitely 1 inch is the only, in my opinion, one that's gonna really compete with Uniswap. I know
Nah, not even close. Not even close, dog. They don't
not
got a
1 inch,
chance.
not only them, because sushi definitely, but
Nah, Stinky Linky, what's good? No, but I'm dead ass, dog. 1 inch ain't got a chance, bro. I don't know who uses 1 inch. I mean, I'd use the 1 inch like little aggregator, but I'd never use they full like unless that aggregator like goes straight to their exchange first. I'm not going to their like the 1 inch exchange site. You know what I'm saying? I barely use the 1 inch thing now. And I think the reason why I got so disgusted with 1 inch was when they let Binance get so many of their coins. Because that's what
mm,
happened. Binance was an early investor. I mean, granted, I know Binance was probably early investor in Uni too, because the Uni had to let some people get in, slide through, which I really didn't like when they first did the whole Uni token, and essentially had like insider investors, and I was like, chill out, y'all don't gotta do that stuff. A DGen 12K USD away, no flying carpet, just dusty ass rugs. Somebody on the chat is wilding. I've used it once. Yeah, I got people that used it once. Badger. I know Full Metal's on that Badger. I know, hey, Full Metal. I know you got that airdrop, Full Metal. Shout out to Full Metal, man. Shout out to Scotty P too, talking about Revoke Cash. If you don't know Revoke Cash, I did a video on it that allows you to revoke any protocol that's used your wallet and don't allow them to use your wallet. But that means you'd have to approve, like how you approve a token on Uniswap, and then you'd never have to approve it again. Well, if you use revoke cash and then revoke all your protocols that ever touched your wallet, then you're gonna have to go back to Uni. You're gonna have to approve that token again, which is a whole nother transaction. So just be mindful of that when you do use like revoke cash or anything like that.
Yeah, I used Revoke Cash. I think it might have been you that put me on to that. Matter of fact, I just went in and revoked the rights to any token that I still deal with. Outside of that, I don't care, you know. So like, if there's a whole bunch of projects that you just kind of just traded real quickly in and out, some Uniswap garbage, like don't even waste the gas fees on revoking those if you never plan on buying it again. Because basically you're giving Uniswap or whatever protocol the rights to transact that token from your wallet. So you want to make sure that nobody got the ability to use your Ethereum, to use your USDC, your DAI tokens, anything that you are holding on to. But if you got some garbage tokens, like, okay, you're not holding them anymore. Don't even waste that gas, bro.
Don't even waste that gas. You ain't lying. So I need
Somebody
questions from the chat. So what's up with questions from the chat?
Somebody said they started buying ETH as their 401k and pension match.
So
That's awesome.
Badger already did 2 airdrops. Third one coming soon. We might need to be putting some liquidity in Badger, dog. Cause Badger, like, I don't think people like they've been like their community's been so active, bruh.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
check out Badger.
two airdrops, and now this is gonna be the third.
Man,
How
Ramp
long
is in
did that
price
last?
discovery right now. Oh
Who?
man, Ramp is in price discovery right now. This is one that I was.
Of.
It's all right. Let me not even feel no way. All right, let's check out Badger. You know, it hurts when you miss a pump, man. Like, I caught
I ain't
something
lying.
else though. It is what it is. I caught something else today. So Badger still ranked number 311. This thing has been, seems like it's been climbing. It's up only 100, not only, but it's up 100% the past 30 days, which I would have expected it to be more with all these different airdrops I'm hearing about.
It's wild. Hold on, I'm looking for something right now. I got mentioned. Yeah, there we go. Shout out to Dr. Chainlink.
Somebody asked, where can we purchase Ramp? So Uniswap is where you want to go. Transaction fees are ridiculous right now. Let me see if I can just go to Uniswap. So let me explain to you very briefly how this works. If you need a MetaMask wallet, all right, you get your MetaMask wallet. You can get one on mobile if you want to. And then from there, you can interact with this application, Uniswap. You're going to go over here to CoinGecko. You're going to click this thing that says contract, copy it. And you're going to basically just paste it down here. And there it goes, Ramp. You'll be able to select it and go ahead and purchase like that.
All right, y'all. So I was just gonna show 2 things real quick. If I can get this. So shout out to my dude, Dr. Chainlink. Shout out to my dude, Dr. Chainlink. He's, he be dropping me some gems and whatever, and they're using they're looking at this link oracles real quick. He put me on to Dodo or Doodoo Dow, Breeder Doodoo or Dodo. I don't know if I should be saying it right, but it looks like it's this DEX, and they actually have a token right now. Token has been out for about September, and right now that thing's rocketing because I believe they just announced a Chainlink integration. Because anything that's actually working and making money, they go to Chainlink for oracles, because you actually have to pay for Chainlink oracles because they're so secure. So anytime you're going to like these DeFi applications, if they're using their own oracles, they're gonna you pretty much gonna get rug pulled soon enough on something if they're using their own rug pulls, because there's always gonna be like a rug pull, not oracle hack. That's what the word I'm looking for. So it looks like this exchange. I haven't looked too much into it, but I had to pull up the price, and right now that bit's exploding. I can't tell nobody to buy this, but I can't tell you to buy nothing. Not financial advice, but I take a look at this when this takes a break.
Is it this dodox.io? Is that
Yeah,
one you're
that's the
talking
one.
about?
Dodo X. It looks like an exchange, bro. If I launch the app, I think it's actually an exchange. An
Cool.
exchange with their own token. Yeah, because it's literally built like. Nah, you ain't finna connect to my wallet. It's built like It's built like 1 inch. And then another one he had hit me up with. It looks like this ADX network. I like what I'm seeing here on ADX. ADX, that's the token. I like what I'm seeing on here because
I was just
um
using ADX to mine Bow Finance.
oh, you were?
Yeah.
My dog was using ADX to farm. So what is it? A majority of its stuff is going on Koreans, on Upbit, Binance, and Uniswap. Um, the only thing I'm like this, the only reason why I like this is because it's low. It's really, really low compared to everything else. But it has been on a tear for like what? For the past 30 days, it's up 50%. For the year, it's up 350%. So be mindful of that. This ain't me telling you to buy it. This is me telling you I'm gonna do some more research because when my boy Dr. Chainlink puts me on some stuff, he be in some stuff, dawg. He be in some stuff.
Dr. Chainlink, huh?
Yeah, that's my guy, bro. He be coming through.
All right. Shout out to Dr. Chainlink. I want to show you guys this tweet that I was looking at earlier. Let me just first pull it up on the side and then put it back on the screen. But let's go to my likes. Make sure I hide all the big booty images I've been liking. All right.
Bro.
I'm, I'm joking. I'm joking, people. But yeah, this guy, Bitcoin Guru, his at name is Talk WTH Me. He listed a bunch of upcoming projects, and you guys know I do a lot of research whenever I get the opportunity to find hidden gems, and this is what makes it easier for me is you guys coming through and telling me about gems, and then also just coming across stuff like this. And there's a couple pages here actually, like 4 different pages of different projects. Some of them are not even necessarily coins, but if you guys want to start somewhere, like this is where I'm gonna start. I'm not even gonna waste a lot of time. I already found one that looks interesting to me, which is shadows.link. I need to do a lot more research on it, but basically for this entire bull run, I'm not even too worried about like deep diving into research like I normally would. I just try to find whatever people are going to FOMO into and just make sure I buy it first, make sure I buy it early. So yeah, this is crazy. This is a bunch of projects. This person must do a lot of research, and I think that this is a good place to start. So just putting that
Hey,
out there for y'all.
hey, bro. One of my peoples is asking, how do you mine bow?
Uh,
BAO.
yeah,
Hey, shout out.
so
If
you
you guys,
farm
if
it.
you ain't, how do you farm it? Yeah, how do you farm it? I
Um,
don't. I hate the. I hate the fact that like we use different worms. Like, oh, I'm mining bow down. I'm farming. Like, it's all the same
yeah, it's the
process, though.
same
You know what
thing.
I'm
Yeah, I
saying?
don't. Yeah. Well, the only reason I'm even clarifying is because sometimes, depending who it is asking from the chat, they don't know the difference, and there is a big difference between like mining and like farming. You know.
Yeah, because mining, you have to buy hardware and do all this
Right.
and do
Right.
all that.
Right, because
And
next thing you know,
farming,
they think they mining Ethereum and Bitcoin because somebody, you know what I'm saying? Because somebody in the comments left something there, and they had some crazy cloud mining nonsense after that. So anyway, yeah, it's pretty easy over here on the menu. I didn't even mind that much. I think in this wallet right
farm or
here.
mine, farm or
Uh,
mine. You just said the same thing twice, different. Hey, I just
yeah,
dropped.
farm.
I just
Pardon
dropped.
me.
I just dropped. I just dropped Loki's YouTube. So if you're trying to get that answer, click on the link to Loki's YouTube, and you can see it on his screen because I can't get his screen up right now.
Yeah, all you got to do is just go to the menu, and it's gonna tell you which pairs. I actually did a whole video on this, and when I came back, my audio was not working. Believe it or not. Yeah, I mean, my camera audio is good, but I like to record on a microphone. I did a whole video on this. But anyway, it tells you all the different pairs that you can put together on Uniswap. So basically, you'll have to look and say, oh, okay, I want to use USDC and ETH. You go back to Uniswap, you go to pool. It's going to cost you an arm and a leg, so you probably don't even want to do this. You add liquidity.
Right now.
You maybe do USDC and ETH. You put equal amounts of both. They'll give you tokens that represent your share of the pool of liquidity, and then you deposit those tokens into the contract, and then that's it. You will start earning BAO tokens without spending your cryptocurrency other than transaction fees. But just by locking it in, you'll start farming BAO tokens. So I got 2.5 million BAO token just locked. That it's it's ridiculous. I mean, it's only worth $1,221 that's going to be given to me throughout the span of 3 years, starting in a year. It's not even worth it unless the price of this thing really skyrockets and we're like into.
But isn't that how synthetics worked out a little bit?
Synthetics, your rewards do get escrowed and released to you within a year. So yes, but this one is like you start getting a daily portion of your rewards in a year for 3 years. So
Damn.
so they break your reward down into 3 years, and you can't even get that until starting a year from now.
I think that's like if you want long-term sustain. I mean, granted, we're in a space right now where everything's fast.
Facts.
You know, get the bread. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, flip it to the next one, flip it to the next one, flip it to the next one. And that team right there is saying, you know what? We want people that's gonna be here for the long run. We want people that's gonna be here in 3 years, type stuff. You know what I'm saying? But
Not me.
I
Not me. Let me 3 years betting on some, you know what I mean, something that Chico called out and it pumped. I mean, if they can actually start proving that they can make, because they're trying to make synthetic assets and lending protocol and derivatives, I think, all in like one by using Uniswap. When I see some of this happening,
though they're doing it.
no, I think they're integrating with all three. It's Uniswap, Balancer, and Sushi Swap. But then they're talking about L2. I'm like, bro, they literally got everything. Oh, so y'all doing everything?
Buzzwords. Oh, okay. See, I don't like stuff like that. When they said, "Oh, we're gonna be decentralized computers, IoT, this, and that," like, bro, that sounds like straight up buzzwords, bro. Layer two right now is the buzzword. Real talk.
Nah, L2 is real though. L2 has been happening.
No, L2 is real. Like,
yeah,
look, I'm staking some XDAI right now, and it's doing its thing. But what I was saying was, before we got on the live stream, me and Low Key were talking about how ETH is breaking all-time highs on most exchanges, but it still hasn't broken its all-time high on Kraken. And Kraken's all-time high for ETH is almost 16,000, bro. So I
wait, 1,000?
1,600. My fault. 1,600.
Oh, nah. What did we get to today? Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. Yeah, let's go test 1,600. I'm cool with that. Let's go test 1,600.
Yeah, so their top is like dang near 1,600. It's 1,594. That's the top right there. 1,694.
Let me check that out on my charts over here. Kraken, ETH USD.
Kraken, ETH USD. And I'm like, and we were talking about that, trying to figure out like what was Kraken going on. You know what I'm saying?
Wow, I got some weird charting stuff that I got some leftover lines. My bad.
How do I compound my XDAI staking? I have no clue how to do that. Did you make a video on that, Scotty P? Shout out to Scotty P. If you anybody in my chat, there's like a group of us. Like it's me, Scotty P, Low Key Money. Like we may not be the super big YouTubers, but we've learned from the good super big YouTubers, dog. That's all I'm saying. We in this bit grinding, getting this bread. This this
Hey,
this this crypto bread.
hey, look, man. For anybody that's new that's watching the live stream, just know you're in a good place right now, man. You can just go through my channel and you'll see some history of a lot of good gems being called, like reserve rights when it was less than a penny. Um,
Mm,
we got
flex on them, bro. Go ahead.
yeah, we got a few of those in there too. All I gotta do is probably just scroll through. We got RFI when it was well under $1, 60 some odd cents. Even now, people are not too excited about RFI. It's over $2. It's over $2.50. We've been talking about it on the live stream, like dedicated with images on the thumbnail. So it's not like, oh, guess what? I talked about this for 2 minutes within my video. You didn't catch that gem? No, we focused on that and spoke about it and said that this was going to higher levels. Back when it was less than $1, it's $2.50. We had a couple ones that weren't so good as well too, but we talked about Trust Swap. Week it launched, I believe, like really early on. We talked about a lot of these different projects, and then we've had just the community just come through and show some serious love with some really good projects like SNX under $1. We were talking about SNX, guys, because your man H Boogie been telling y'all in the chat every day back when there used to be 5 people watching the live stream. He's been coming every day talking about synthetics. Here we are getting close to $18. You guys could have been making some serious dough. So we not over here just shilling every token, shilling every coin. We're actually like looking at them and then doing more research afterwards, and then we bring it back up if we think there's value in there, and we make some gains. There's real possibilities to get rich during this bull run, so let's go ahead and try to make that happen. My man's H Boogie said he got SNX at 22 cents. Yo. Yo. My man's got SNX at 22 cents, bro. My man said, actually, I bought 500K 88 at 2 cents average. Wow. Mark Air said the RSR call reserve rights was golden. Thank you. Somebody said, I'm about to take a big load and pour it into Polkadot. So Polka starter is sweet. Received them in an airdrop. I think I just got some gains today from Polka Bridge. PBR. Yeah, I just got some gains today from Polka Bridge. Let's see where it's at now. Back up to 84 cents. What's goody?
Are you looking at the synthetics chart right now?
Nah, I did not looking at it. It was good.
Bruh. Bro, synthetics is sitting at $17.61. Bro, talking about he got it at 22 cents.
Yeah, this is a fact. This is, yo, guys, like what I'm trying to tell y'all is like what we're doing here between crypto culture, the Shill Squad, and just whatever you call yourselves, like, we put titles on it. We're building a community where we just share information with each other and we don't hold back from throwing out signals, at least research signals at minimum, you know what I mean? And I let you guys know what I buy a lot of the times, not all the time, but a lot of the times. And we're not going to hold back like some other YouTubers do. Make sure they get their bags first and get their gains. Like, I'm putting it right in the chat. Other people are putting it right in the chat. They come to the Shill Squad Telegram group. Man's H Boogie was getting this at 22 cents. I could show you a live stream where he tipped me 50 SNX tokens and it was like worth $50 or less. That same 50 SNX tokens, you know what I mean?
Bruh,
worth $850. Yo, H Boogie, I owe you big time.
Hey, I ain't even gonna lie to you, dog. I just did a little quick maths. If bro would have bought $1,000 worth of synthetics at 22 cents, right?
Oh boy.
He would have had 4,542 synthetics. If you times 4,542 4,545 synthetics at today's price at $17.58, that's $79,909.
Oh,
Once that shit,
but he forgot the weekly staking rewards.
nah,
Oh.
bro, no. But what I'm saying is, if you $1,000, like I put $1,000 in some doodle coin right now. Tell me you don't do the same thing. And I'm sitting here like, that's ugly. People could be sitting here eating pretty.
He said he bought 3150 SNX for $850. That's what 50 SNX costs right now.
I don't want to know, dog. I don't want to know. I know we just talking about crazy prices and bull and crazy, but it's one of them times in the space.
Nah, this is real life though. This is reality.
But this is real life though. DNT, Dentacoin, isn't that the dentist coin?
Nah, that's District.
Is that District Zero?
It's like
X?
one.
Yeah, it is District Zero X.
Okay, yeah. Cause I'm like,
I don't like the way they chart move. I don't like the way they chart move. They chart move like somebody pumped and dumped it. Straight up.
Man, they did a 20x in the past year. You can't deny a 20x, bro. They did a 20x in the past year, bro.
Everybody calling out their lowest bro. Scotty P XOR at $1.86. Man, get away! I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. And he told me to get that XOR too. I was so mad too. XRP. I got you, dog. I'm always gonna do the XRP for my XRP people.
Ooh, Pseudo Greek. He talk that talk, Pseudo Greek. This is why I love the Shill Squad, man. Y'all be putting me on, I'll be putting y'all on. We just back and forth. He said he got into AVAX at $2.90. It is now $14. Banned at $1.50. I remember him telling me about banned in a live stream. It's now $17. Come on, man. Let's go. H Boogie asked anybody get Rook. Should I get Rook? You tell me. I'm rocking with you, H Boogie.
I farmed Rook.
You farmed Rook?
Yeah, I farmed Rook really early, like
nice.
3 months ago, and I've been holding on to that bit.
I'm not in nothing right now. I just pulled out of some trades.
Stupid. This ain't the real XRP. This can't be XRP. Oh, I'm got it on the. Let me get it on the weekly chart. So
I just got out of perp today.
Like XRP looks like it's hitting its nice little bottom. But this is usually where XRP likes to chill around anyways, just to be real with you. But I know my dude Ninja Grasshopper, but you know when you're supposed to be getting XRP, you're supposed to be buying XRP under 20 cents. If you can get XRP under 20 cents,
17 cents is the target for XRP.
You can wait for a pump. You can definitely wait for a pump if you can catch XRP under 20 cents.
XRP target is around 17 cents, guys, right over here if you're looking.
My dude, Brandon P, perp at $1.12.
Perp?
Perp at $1.12.
Oh, I just sold perp today.
Oh, that's when Chico put us on. He put us on at $1.12.
Oh, I'm bugging. I'm thinking it went to $10. Oh, cause I'm like, yo, I just sold perp at 7 today, 7 and change. Okay.
Oh God.
So I'm thinking of 10 something. Whew, you scared me, bro.
Kusama 6.
Oh, I sold at the right time. Nice.
Yeah, because they're probably pulling back right now.
Yeah, 687. I sold at like 730 or something like that. I felt like that was a good time to go ahead and let that perp go.
I got a bag of XRT too. I don't mind talking about it because I got a bag. No, guys, what I was telling
we're gonna talk about Cardano in a sec.
Ooh, yes, please come back to $30 and break all-time high. Please come back to $30 and break all-time high.
So I got folks asking about Cardano ADA in here. Here's the thing. So Cardano definitely got, big army behind them of investors that are not selling their bags, that are constantly accumulating their staking rewards. That's good. They're supposed to be going live with their smart contracts pretty soon, like first quarter or something like that. This is what we had to look out for. Yes, it's gonna pump coming close to the release of smart contracts. What I want to know is there gonna be a hype for Cardano projects the way that there's a hype for Polkadot projects? That's what I want to keep my eye on. The only reason that I think not is because the Polkadot projects are being released on Ethereum right now. And that's where everything is, Ethereum. So Cardano projects are essentially going to be released on Cardano, You don't see the same type of hype happening on Binance Smart Chain, even though there is some. Like, is it? Are we talking about BSC tokens like that? The only one that anybody talks about is Thorchain. So, and Pancake. So, I don't know if it's gonna have the same, altcoin hype or token hype that Polkadot has, but that's what I want to be paying attention to, because if it does, oh my God, bro, I'm gonna be on the Cardano blockchain scooping everything up, bro, everything.
Because you already know what time it is. It's alt season again. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to somebody who was talking about UBT on the chat. Looking at this UBT, the only thing I'm afraid about with this UBT, where is this volume coming from to keep this price up like this?
Somebody did mention that Celsius is going to Cardano, by the way. My bad, bro.
Oh, yeah. I heard about that too. Like, UBT looks like it has no volume. How is this price staying up? Majority of its volume comes from Uniswap.
Which one is it? UBT?
It's not listed on any huge exchange. If you think about it, it's on Bittrex, it's on Hotbit, but it's not on Coinbase. It's not on.
What token is that?
UBT.
Oh, Unibright.
Like, I'm not taking a dump on UBT at all. I'm just like, I've been looking at UBT for a while. I've had a bag. I definitely sold a bag up here. Like right here, I sold a bag and I haven't gotten back into it because I was waiting for it to come down, and it never did. And that's just how it be sometimes, for real. But I'm looking at this like there's no volume, but the price just keeps going up, and it just doesn't stop. And granted, it has about $2 million worth of volume now, but if you went back like maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, it only had like maybe 500K worth of volume. And I'm like, how is this price staying up? So we're going to see how this goes. But I know a lot of people remember my UBT story. I actually bought UBT actually back here at like, 8 cents, whatever. And I held it all through the bear market and completely forgot about it. And the reason why I bought it was
no way, that's crazy.
Yeah, bro, it got shilled to me by Data Dash. And it went so low that I let it go because I'm like, well, this is gone forever. You know what I'm saying? Those are bags that I was just like, I'm going to forget about it. And then it started pumping back up. And I'm like, I must have a bag of UBT somewhere. And I stopped looking for it. Then it kept pumping. I'm like, all right, where's that wallet that I had that UBT in? I know I still got it. I found that wallet. That bit had 3K in it at the time. And I'm like, Jesus. What
cryptocurrency, bro?
I had to sell that bag, bro. I think that was like one of the first bags that
was like, Chico pump right there. Look at that.
Oh, Jesus.
That was the Chico pump. That's when I learned that, YouTubers could really move the market now for these low cap gems.
It's such a small market that we literally can influence people to go out and buy something. And that's why it's so scary. That's why I be trying to not do that. I be trying to tell people chill.
Yeah,
go ahead, I
facts.
didn't cut you off, dog.
Nah, not at all. You didn't really. I was just amazed that YouTubers could actually move the market now. But the difference between then and now was when I first started watching YouTubers talk about coins, you had to go on an exchange to buy them. So, a lot of people didn't want to go through the hassle of signing up for Gate.io or just one of these strange exchanges, these centralized exchanges. But now that everything's on automated market makers like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and all of it, it's so easy. So they call something that's a low cap gem that only has, less than $2 million in market cap. And it really doesn't take that many people to move it after that. It really doesn't. 500 people go buy that coin, it's over. That thing is mooning.
No, because that's the thing. And of course, when certain people live stream and they talk about the coins that they're looking at, bro, I've seen a YouTuber talk about a coin he's about to buy, and I go to Uniswap within seconds, up 20%, 30%, 50% within 30 minutes of somebody talking about it.
Set your post notifications on, people. I'm 100% serious. Follow your favorite YouTubers, put post notifications on. If you find out first that Chico called out Bow.finance 2 days ago, you'd have 2.5x your money right now. You know,
Easy,
so
easy 2.5. And now imagine if you did 1,000, boom, you had three. If you did if you did 2,000, boom, like, and it starts compounding. Really, even if you did 100, even though I know I don't tell anybody to use DeFi with $100. I tell nobody if you're not using $1,000 or more in DeFi right now, you shouldn't be using DeFi. Just stay on a centralized exchange. But somebody hit me up talking about VGX Voyager token. So I'm looking at Voyager token right now,
that used to be
and
Ethos.
huh?
That used to be Ethos. You remember
E-
Ethos?
no, wait, Ethos the wallet?
Yeah, that's Ethos, bro.
That's
Voyager.
Ethos?
Yeah, that's them.
They rebranded?
Yeah, they been
Yeah,
did
I'm
that.
looking at it right now. I'm looking at Ethos.io. Bro, I had their wallet. Let me just make sure I'm looking at the right thing.
Bro, I wish I could. I wish I didn't delete so many videos. I did like 4 videos about Ethos. I
No,
was so hype
no,
about them, bro.
hey, no, I'm not even gonna stop. Thank you for telling me that's Ethos, bro. Thank you for telling me that's Ethos. Because I was looking at the price and I'm like, this coin's been around for a minute. So
Yeah,
so a lot of people, let me pull this to you guys. If you weren't around in 2017 or like 2018, you don't know that a lot of these tokens are just rebranded. So the token's been around for a very long time, but they were called something else back in the day. Like even synthetics, and this is going to be two things because what I'm about to say is a bad thing, but synthetics is like the exception to the rule. When I see crypto, like the whole rebrand thing, that's a gimmick for cryptocurrencies. That's a big gimmick.
synthetics or Ave.
No, that's another exception to the rule because you have Ave who rebranded and that was amazing for them. You have Synthetics who used to be Haven rebranded, amazing for them. Then what? Neo, and during the last bull market rebranded, amazing for them.
They were
But a
ant
lot of these,
shares.
but here's the crazy thing: everybody knows that a rebrand helps you pump your coin. And if that's the case, a lot of these garbage projects, and I hate to do this to Ethos. Ethos is a garbage project. Ethos is a garbage project, bro. Straight up. Ethos is a garbage project. They did
Oh
nothing
man.
throughout the bear market. They didn't do anything. They've had this wallet thing set up for the longest. I even had their wallet, guys.
Yo, but they've been rebranded to Voyager like a year or two ago, like a
And
minute
that did
now.
nothing for them. And that did nothing for them a year or two ago. But all of a sudden now, what are they doing? They're doing interest just like Celsius Network. That's
Yeah,
what it looked like they were doing.
yeah. Hey, look, I don't sleep on Ethos or Voyager because there was like the one thing that really stood out to me was that there was one guy that was like an exec, like one of the officers. I don't know if he was like CEO or something from BlackRock that left to go work with Ethos. I just remember that standing out to me, bro. This was during the last bull run, and they've been talking about doing what they are kind of doing right now. So I think that they definitely have like some connections. I would love to see who's still on the team, just to know if that's still true. But let's see the team. Um, Damn, nah, they don't even got the same. Nah,
Mm-hmm.
bro, they don't even got the
I'm
same
good.
people. Yeah, I'm out of here.
Good, huh? Out of here. Out of here, bro. I'm straight. I don't want no parts of that.
Nah, I'm
I don't want
good.
no parts of
I'm
that, dog.
good.
You know so no disrespect to anybody, but when I see a project that's been around for a while and then they rebrand to something else and they're doing something that another, like, think about this. Think about all the different products that are doing this earn interest on your thing and it's just a copy of another thing. How long you think they're going to survive? They may survive this bull market, yeah, but nobody knows when this bull market's going to be done. No matter how many people say, oh, it's going to be done at the end of the year, this, and that, nobody knows when this bull market is going to be done. If we hit
Peace, H
100K,
Boogie.
200K, no clue. You know what I'm saying? But things like these, things like this, get wrecked.
I don't know exactly what they do, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Let's not. let's not jump the gun. They made it to page
Yeah,
one.
no. See, you over here trying to be nice. I'm over here being disrespectful with it. But I love you guys because you guys always come to me, so I'll never disrespect y'all. Community, bring me the stuff, and if it's doo doo in my eyes, I'm gonna call out doo doo when I see doo doo. But and because this
They
thing
gonna
wrecked
be.
me, and I had a bag of this for so long, and I sold it at the bottom, so I have really negative feelings about this coin right now.
They
But
gonna
yeah, I'm
rip
trying to.
you when Voyager's rank 40, bro.
And then I'm gonna sit here and be like, and you know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna tell you guys the same thing I told my homeboy. It can be garbage. You can still make money off of it though.
Yeah, that's a fact. You ain't never lie
It
about
can
that
be
one right
garbage.
there.
You can still make money off of it though. Just like there's some serious Ponzi coins out there that you like. I ain't gonna lie. I got a Ponzi coin that I don't talk about because I know it's a Ponzi coin and it's gonna go up and people are gonna fall for it and I'm gonna sell it. But I'm never gonna speak about it.
Oh,
I'm never gonna put this on air. I'm never gonna speak on it on camera.
yeah,
You
I
know what I'm
feel you,
saying?
bro.
Never.
Get them.
But I
Get,
know, but I understand this space, and I know that's an opportunity. So take what you can.
yeah, all cryptos has Ponzi, like
What's your thoughts on
attributes.
XLM? Stellar's been around for a long time. That's what
People
it
been
got going
asking me
for
about
it.
that, so I'm glad you're covering it.
Yeah, no, but people really been asking about it for a lot. And like looking at XLM, my thing with XLM, it's been around for a long time. And oh my god, it's been pumping.
Yeah, somebody shared with me that Germany, whatever government authorities that be just reached out to Stellar Lumens to build up some type of bond market or something like that, to issue like bonds on their blockchain. So I heard they've been pumping crazy ever
Oh, it's
since.
been pumping.
And
But here's the
there's like
thing,
an exodus
Bitcoin.
from XRP. There was a lot of people leaving XRP. Money pumped into Bitcoin, money pumped into Ethereum, money pumped into Stellar Lumens, their competitor. So
My thing is with Stellar's just like XRP. It started off just the same way like XRP. They have a treasury just like XRP. What makes you think they're not going to come for XLM right after XRP? Granted, whatever happens to XRP, which I really do think they're just going to pay a fine and keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? That's what I really think they're just going to pay a fine and keep it moving. And then they're just going to go to the next coin. All right, you guys are a popular cryptocurrency. Go ahead and give us your money too. Next. That's why I think it's going to happen. But with Stellar Lumens, the thing I like about Stellar Lumens, it's been around for a very, very long time. It's been in the top 10 for years and hasn't left. So it's got that for it. That's for sure.
yeah, I didn't really like the fact that they burned so many coins. I was pretty vocal about that because it just showed me how
Centralized it was.
centralized, which I think that was a move to make them less centralized, but it just takes away from the value of cryptocurrency when you can burn essentially billions of dollars worth of coins in an instant. Like where else would you do that with anything else that has value? Like what would you do that with? So why should you do that with cryptocurrency? You know what I'm saying? Like why would you just burn all that value? It just wasn't a good look in my opinion when people were putting up articles, this many billions of dollars burned in cryptocurrency. Like what do you mean? Like yeah, I just threw away $2 billion. Like so I didn't really
Yeah.
like, you know what I'm saying? I just didn't like the look of it. And I'm just paraphrasing or whatever when I say 2 billion. But overall though, I think that XLM, personally, I think it have a better outlook than XRP because what they built with IBM is something that allows them to use a similar protocol for transferring money with any coin. They're doing it with any coin was their thing, with IBM, whereas XRP was trying to be that central currency for their network. They wanted to use XRP. On XLM's network with IBM, you can use XRP or XLM if you want to, or Bitcoin, or whatever stable coins that are going to be allowed in the US and stuff like that. So I think that Stellar definitely, they got a shot out here, and there's less centralization with some of those coins not being not being as large of a bag, because they had like 100 billion or something like that before, or 125 billion. It was crazy. But I think one of the biggest problems was with XRP, Brad Garlinghouse and somebody else. Like they were selling their bags, like their own bags, and that was a problem. I don't know if he's talking to us or he just talking to them.
Snap, I muted myself. My fault, bro.
You good?
Am I muted here too? No, I'm not muted here too. Hold on. I had something pop up real quick. I hate when I mute my mic to let you talk and then I pop back and then I don't do it. But running off the next coin that somebody was talking about, Theta, bro. I see you, Theta, bro. I see you, tech boy.
Somebody corrected me, said it was Russia, not Germany. So my bad if I was wrong.
Okay,
But
good,
go ahead.
good.
Theta, I'm glad you're talking about that too.
That's what we here for. We not fucking pros. You know what I'm saying? We not like ain't no experts in crypto, guys. No matter what they say, ain't no experts. So please correct us when we say something that's stupid or something that doesn't make sense or the wrong information. My live stream yesterday, I was talking about was Grayscale the corporate sorry. I was talking about how Grayscale was the institutional investor exchange that can't prove how much Bitcoin they have, but I was wrong because it was actually backed that nobody talks about anymore because I don't even know who even uses. But do you remember when Backed came out and people were going bananas crazy for Backed, and then it came out that Backed ain't had no Bitcoin at all?
Yeah, Backed was supposed to be like a derivative. Not
Yeah,
a. There was supposed to be a futures exchange that was backed by physical Bitcoin. That's what the whole name Backed was. So it was like institutions are coming in with physical Bitcoin to do futures, and they didn't have no Bitcoin to back it, bro. Like that's why it flopped. Man, that's so crazy, bro.
so yeah, so it flopped. But going back to it, somebody said I checked in after a while, saw a dude on the left, and I was like, "Damn, crypto culture lost weight."
Yo, that's hilarious, bro.
Wait, for real though. But so people asking about Theta. The only issue I have with Theta is that they're their own blockchain. But at the end of the day, um, that doesn't seem to matter right now at all.
Nah.
They pump in. They have the video streaming platform.
Yeah.
That they
So
I
to
think I
kind
might
of
start live streaming on there, bro. They still killing it.
hey,
But my
somebody
only
just
issue,
donated. What is it? 500. I believe it was rupees or something. But that's about like around $7. So shout out to Mahesh Duty. Thank you very much for showing some love. Um,
oh,
yeah, I mean, much appreciated, bro.
y'all don't like me. Y'all don't like me to tip me, dog. Like it's all good, bro. Y'all ain't have to tell me y'all ain't like me not to tip me, bro.
Cut it
You know what I'm
out.
saying? My dog over there getting $7 here and there, and I can't
I'm
even get
global,
a.
bro. I'm global. That's the difference. You know what I'm saying? Dudes from India. Shout out to my hash duty from India. That's my guy right there. That is my friend. So, I'm global out here, man. What we talking about?
Oh, so anonymous just said filing crypto taxes as a DeFi user, right now, f my life. If you're really gonna do that,
What you pulling? Oh, you guys talking to the tax man, right?
yeah. Hey, I'm gonna drop this link for you. These people make it really easy. Token tax. You can literally just import your wallet or like because you can plug. So what you can do is go to Zappify or Zerion, the things that track your wallet and stuff. And once you do that, either use Zappify or Zerion, they allow you to export a CSV file or an what is it called? An Excel file. It allows you to take out a CSV file, which is an Excel file that once you take that file, you can give it to these people called token tax, and they'll do like the entire form, capital gains loss form for you. The only problem I have with these is the way that they categorize some transactions, either on Zappify or Zerion. It just, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't really like if I'm putting something in staking, that's not me selling something. But when I check on Zapify or Zerion, it says, oh, somebody just sold something. Like if I put some Wi-Fi in the staking contract, right? In the governance contract, it's saying that, oh, X, Y, and Z just sold some Wi-Fi to the staking contract, but that's not what I did. I just put it in the staking contract, governance contract, and I'm about to take it out. Now it's a buy. So just be mindful of those kinds of things when you see it. But with Theta, that's a live streaming platform. I don't know. I've been looking at trying to do Theta, but they do got validator nodes, and some of their validator nodes is Google, Samsung, Binance, blockchain.com, and Gumi. Now, of course, we know 1, 2, 3, 4 of the four of these I know for a fact. I don't know this Gumi stuff, but they've been around for a minute and they've been getting a lot of love. I've been chilling off of Theta just because of the way it's been like pumping like crazy. But man, bro, go ahead, Theta. Now, where you can, I just wish Theta was on, I wish Theta was on ETH, but you wouldn't be able to do the things you do if it was on ETH. So hey,
anybody watching mine, I just put the different price targets on the ETH chart.
Oh, good. Y'all gotta chill out. Y'all gotta chill out. I was just kidding about the tips, but thank you. I'll Ninja Grasshopper. Thank you for the tip. Always love to appreciate the gratitude. Always been here for the longest. Scotty P, man, look, whatever happened to Titty Coin? Man, what you mean? You about to go meet Titty Coin in Orlando in 2 days? Don't think I forgot about that. Thank you, Scotty P, for the tip. Cadence, I can't say Cadence, I'm talking too fast, for being humble from C Money Crypto. Oh, that's what's up. Hey, thank you. My question is, C Money Crypto, why is Cadence paying for your? So my question is, who C Money Crypto and Cadence? Y'all, what y'all doing? Y'all hanging out together? Y'all, you know what? They're developers and they watching people trying to pump their coins. That's who they are. And they're like, yeah, thank you for my coin, little YouTuber. I'm kidding, y'all. I be going through some wild thoughts about stuff, like wondering who be the actual people watching us.
Hey, listen, man. Somebody sent me a message about being connected to like Winklevoss twins and all of these different like big names of crypto. You'd be surprised how many steps away you are from a billionaire being in this space, bro. You'd be one step away from a billionaire. Just
hey, one of my dudes, Crypto Pendu. I'm in India too. Culture, you can take I can be your token Indian guy. He shot me out with the I don't know if it's the ruby.
Yeah, it's the rupees, man.
Oh, okay. You used your phone for your super chat. That makes way more sense. Thank you. I feel stupid.
Somebody said low key in the crypto Illuminati. I'm an apprentice.
Somebody was asking about Polka Starter, bro. Do you know what's your thoughts on Polka Starter, bro?
POLS. Yeah, did I touch Polka Starter? I don't even remember. I seen that one of those guys, one of those YouTubers was talking about it on BitBoy's channel and stuff, and I think Polka Starter is okay. It's just like 10 different projects doing the same thing for Polkadot. So it just depends on which one is gonna, pull through. If it was a Polkadot project that I would go for that's similar right now, that would be PBR, which is Polka Bridge. I just made some gains off of that one today and pulled out already. But I'll probably get back in because it barely pulled back. Polka Bridge is near its price discovery, and I think that I would go for that one instead of Polka Starter right now. But not financial advice. Just look into both of them and kind of make a decision.
What's the ticker for the other one that you were just talking about?
PBR.
PBR?
Yeah, very low. Just getting started, going into price discovery.
Bruh, oh my gosh. Oh, so it's in price discovery. It's trying to figure out where it's doing this thing.
Yeah, it just hit it. It just broke its high,
But it's called Polka Bridge.
Yeah.
And so is it doing the same thing like Polka Starter?
I think so. I'm not even sure, man. Like these things they all so similar.
The Polkadot hype is real, for real. Anything Polka's looking like it's making gains, for real.
Raz
But of
said,
course,
"Thank
all this
God,
focus stuff
PBR
on me.
finally." Hey, you can send a tip too, bro. I see Kenzie asking for tips. If you don't see me talk about your project, you gotta understand it's everybody that's in my chat plus everybody in his chat. So
Yeah.
obviously anybody that were to send a tip, not really asking, I'm kind of joking, but if you were to send a tip, I would definitely prioritize any requests that way.
Oh, look, y'all really didn't have to start sending tips. I appreciate it 100%. But y'all didn't have to start. I was just that's just me kidding. That's just me joking. Cause whatever. But thank you, Obey, for the tip. Thank you, Crypto Peru, for the tip. Always appreciate it, man. What's good, Carlos? You late as hell. You just getting here, Carlos. You just getting here. We've been on for about an hour and 15, but you probably watching football. But what's the guy's channel? Oh, hold on. I put it in the chat already. I'll put it in the chat again for let me see, just make sure. There we go.
Oh, it was Martini guy that was shilling Poker Starter. There you go. That's who it was.
That Martini guy? He was
Yeah.
on so that Martini guy was on BitBoy's channel. Look, dog, I ain't even finna lie. I'm about to reach out to Crypto Daily and get on his channel. Or at least get him on my channel. Hey, Truce in the
You
building.
connected.
What's good, Truce? Bruh, I love seeing people who've been through the bear market with us, man. What's good, Truce, dog? Great job hodling just like the rest of us, dog.
Yo, so yeah,
Just
Poker
like the
Bridge
rest
is
of us.
kind of like this. It got the launch pad as well. They got some lending, farming, governance. So just wanted to close the loop on that one. I'm gonna probably get back in this one and hold it and let it do its 5x minimum. So
Is that your thing? Your 5x minimum and then you get out?
no, I think this one is gonna 5x. So it's
My
like a
dog,
$2 million
I need to
market
go
cap,
5x.
$2-3 million market cap right now. So
Well,
if
that's easy 5x.
yeah, and I'm
Yeah.
not guaranteeing that, but it really does have the fundamentals in terms of, the project.
Is
Everything
that
else I
Poker
can't
Bridge
vouch for.
PBR?
So, yeah,
Is that PBR?
yeah. Crypto
Dude, this thing's only,
Pendu.
bro.
Yeah.
Is this thing really only been out like a day?
Yeah, it's been out for a couple days, and it just got onto CoinGecko like 2 days ago or something like that. So
Bruh. Oh wow. Bruh, how you getting all these new extra tokens, man? Let me get in there.
definitely do a little extra research, guys. I don't know how the team is looking and stuff like that. You need to still watch out for that stuff. I didn't do all of that due diligence, so just look into that some more. I'm ready to get 5x or rug pulled. Either way is like either great or whatever.
Damn, you didn't get the notification from me live streaming? Come on, YouTube, stop playing, man. Um, your thoughts on API 3? I don't have any bags of API 3. I don't even know what API 3 does. It's just like there's just so much. But let me check this out. AP. That's right. I can't even. All I know is they're integrating with partnerships and doing the whole PR partnership. They're up there. They're 135, so they're not like low cap gem, but they've been killing it right now. Looks like they've been holding steady.
I got my
Um,
Lena token is doing all right, up 20%. That's like the only thing I'm holding right now because I'm staking it. Everything else I'm kind of just in ETH and Bitcoin. But
API 3 has only been around since November, bro. For all these tokens only been around like less than a year. Jeez.
those are the ones you want to get into and catch that initial pump, man. We're
And
like
then
trading
move
penny
on.
stocks. Yeah.
And then move on. It's like I really bro just said it for real, for real. It's like penny stocks. We're just popping in and out of penny stocks. It pop up for but the thing is with these penny stocks, ain't no centralized exchange telling us what to do. It's like it really is the gold rush of our generation. And sometimes I be wondering like, how are we the only ones? Like people in the chat, me and bruh doing these YouTube videos. The biggest crypto YouTuber that simply strictly does crypto YouTube only doesn't even have 1 million subscribers, bruh.
Yeah, that's
We
a
are
fact.
so early into this. It's
Yo,
stupid.
Crypto Pendu just came through and subbed on my channel, bro. I'm just letting you know. I'm just letting you
Yeah,
know.
you
Yeah.
sure enough,
Yeah, the Indian community rocks with me. You know what I mean? It's just we just like that. what I'm
Hey
saying?
man,
We just
don't
like
leave.
that.
Please don't leave me, dog. Please, I need y'all.
Um,
But you know,
what's it called? Crypto Fees is in here. Shout out to Crypto Fees, man. I just jumped on his channel the other day, man. He's
yeah,
back. He's
he been posting out a lot of content.
yeah,
I've been
he's
seeing he been
back.
posting a lot of content.
Yo, when are we wrapping this up, man?
We can probably wrap it up. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, we've been on for about an hour and 20 minutes. We about to wrap it up right now. In fact,
All right.
I'm gonna take down all these chats, and it's just gonna be us in this bit.
All right, so just to remind anybody that hasn't been around my channel, that's seeing me on Crypto Cultures or just came in for the first time, I'm doing content pretty much every single day for the month of January. I think I missed 2 days, possibly 3, but no more than that. So I've been doing videos every single day, standalone content, and then live streams about 1 to 2 times a week. So you'll catch me in Crypto Culture, aka Kenzie, the Bitcoin baby daddy, doing this live stream every single week on Sunday evening at 8 p.m. Eastern time. And then after that, you can catch standalone content from me at least 5 days out of the week. So make sure you come through, because we're going to talk about some gems. We're going to talk about some progress. We're going to talk about the news. We're going to talk about everything.
Yeah, but this stream was definitely. If you guys didn't know, I definitely dropped a link to Brush channel again in the chat. So go to that and make sure you check that out. The Sunday 8 o'clock time isn't confirmed yet, because we were talking about Saturday morning too. That looks like a really good
That's
time
possible.
to get views as well, because we can also grab people from Europe at that time. Because a lot of people, I've been getting comments in my comments like, can you please do a live stream around, a good, better time? So Saturday mornings is looking good. And actually on Saturday mornings, a lot of people don't notice. Saturday mornings is when you're supposed to be getting in alts, if not Friday night. That's when you're supposed to be getting in alts and then getting out Sunday or Sunday morning type stuff. If you're trying to trade and flip alts, just to be real with you. But yeah, we're probably gonna drop. Right now it's Sundays at 8 p.m. We might be switching to Saturdays at 8 a.m. We don't know yet, but definitely go to my guy, check out the channel. We've been competing recently. He's got more subscribers than me, and it's cool because he's been putting out way more content than me. So I can't just make a video every other day when I feel like it anymore. I actually got to put these videos out so, before my guy get all the subscribers. You feel me? So thank you guys for always coming back to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to Low Key Money's channel, because he's putting out the content all day. But other than that, man, you got anything else to say, Low Key, bro?
Nah, just make sure y'all go ahead and sub to Crypto Culture, man. We're about to run it up this year. Let's get rich.
Let's get rich. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, check me out next time. Take it easy. Peace. Yeah.
Peace.